Hi guys, it's Caitlin, and I just wanted to show you my July 2018 Ipsy. I know it's a little late, but I was late to the party. So, there's my Ipsy. Oh, and I did already open this and test out some of the products. So, I got the bag, and I also got these two masks. Now, the first one is Nature's Recipe Honey by Secret Key. And the second one is Tea Tree. And this is the one that I did try out. I actually really did like it. It actually stuck on your face. A lot of them that I've tried, I put on and they just they come right off. So I was actually able to put it on and do things because it's 30 minutes. So I didn't want to put it on and just lay there for 30 minutes and not have to do anything. So I really liked that it actually stuck to your face. And I have really sensitive skin, so I was really nervous to use these at first because it will break out at any product I put on my face. So I was really surprised when the next day rolled around and I didn't have a huge pimple on my face. And after I took it off, it felt so good. Oh, and it smelled good too. So, I like these. Good job, Ipsy. Alright, so, the bag kind of reminds you of like mermaid, unicorn. Like it's kind of like shiny or reflectant. Alright, of course, the card. It says, ready to dive into summer. Your 5 glam bag picks, pool ready makeup bag, and a ton of inspo on the Ipsy app are here to help you make a splash. Of course, 30% back on all your products. Not all of them. Alright. The next thing is the Eyeshadow London Skinny Liquid Liner in black. Little mini size. Now, I really like this brand. Let me show you. A little itty bitty. Let me swatch it for you. My hand's a mess from my last video. Oh, and I'm doing these out of order. I did my August one and uploaded it. Like, duh, I forgot my July. And here's a little swatch of it. I really like the point on this. It's really fine. And sometimes when you use other brands, you put it on and then the tip gets all like flat and like expanded out, and you know what I mean. This one, it doesn't do that. Alright, next product is the City Color Cosmetics City Chic Eyeshadow in Skinny Latte. I really like this color. There's that. Let me swatch it for you. Oh, it's so creamy, guys. So creamy. It is really pretty. Alright. Next, I got the Mott Tapered Blending Brush. Let's see. I hate packaging. I hate taking packaging off. Ooh, it feels really nice. This will be a really nice blending brush. Just see it's not too dense. It's like perfect. Perfect for blending. I will use that tomorrow. Okay, and the last thing I got is a Pacifica coconut blush. Coconut infused blush for your beautiful cheeks. 100% vegan, cruelty free. Isn't everyone now? I really like this packaging. And I know they have another, there was another colors. I really like those other colors. I can't remember what it was, but they were lighter than this. This is more brownie tones. And oh, also on this packaging, you know, the mirror. I love it. Love it. This is perfect. Like perfect, you know, throw it in your bag. A little touch up. Perfect size. Okay. Let me swatch these. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on this camera. We'll try. We'll try. Oh, it is pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I'll do this on my arm so you guys can see it a little better. Do a little bigger swatches. Okay. It's on my hand for my my other video. Okay, little awkward. Should have did it in the other arm. All right, guys, that's it. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I'm new. I have recently subscribed to a bunch of subscription services. Ipsy, BoxyCharm, Yes Oh Yes, FabFitFun, Birchbox. There's a bunch of other stuff I subscribe to. I also order a lot of top brand cosmetics. Kylie Cosmetics, of course, you know, got sucked into that. Oh, God, I just spent like $160 on her new birthday collection. Like, what the F? Really? It sucked me right in. I'm upset with myself. Oh, sorry. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. All right, nice seeing you guys. Thanks for watching me. Love you guys. Bye.